Hey everyone. I just decided to come on here and actually talk about some of my thoughts on the retheme from Splash Mountain to Tiana's Bayou Adventure, something like that. Um, it was basically I had a little post whenever I had mentioned about Canyon Falls that was it's now defunct log flume, but it was very much had some similarities to Splash Mountain, which ended up getting into my mind like, oh yeah, I have a lot of opinions on this, but this is just about Wonderland, not Disney or Splash Mountain. So all of a sudden, it's like months later, it hit me. It's like, okay, well, now's this time that I'll jump on a little, maybe a soapbox, maybe not, but my opinion is that I wasn't surprised when it happened, but what did shock me is how long it took before they rethemed it, because to my knowledge that the movie Song of the South that Splash Mountain's based on is banned. It got banned before the whole ride got a retheme. But anyway, I, um, so I just go basing on POVs because I haven't been to Disney since I was 5 years old. But the POV from of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, it looks pretty neat. I'll give it that. I don't think there's as many animatronics as what was in that was in Splash Mountain, which I will still always love Splash Mountain because just from I don't recall riding it at 5 years old, but when I looked at POVs, like there's certain things that kind of trigger. So I think I may have ridden it, but I just don't remember. But anyway, just from the POVs, I'm like, this is so cute, so whimsical, and that song gets stuck in your head, but it just makes you so happy. So that's a lot of the biggest part that's missing from the Tiana's ride. But then also, it does not follow Princess and the Frog. Like, really? I mean, yeah, the character Tiana and some of the other characters, but I watched the movie in 2020. Wasn't a fan of the movie. And I'm not trying to bash Disney or anything like that. I just didn't like it because I thought it was going to be cool, cute, the typical good versus evil, but I felt it was a little too dark and evil. And I thought the ride was going to be a little like that, but the ride ended up being very anticlimactic leading up to that big drop. So it's like, it's cute, it's cool. Probably should have left Splash Mountain as Splash Mountain and build like something else for Tiana and theme it to Tiana. But then also, I thought for sure they'd keep the riverboat. Real, that's like a big thing in the Bayou and stuff like that, and New Orleans, and they didn't have it in Tiana's Bayou Adventure at all. I'm like, really? Could have been a good use, could have been a good homage to the former ride, Well, I can't. Should I say former ride? Because it's not really a former, because it's still the same layout, just rethemed. We'll go with that. Just a retheme. Yeah. And then in other news, Rock and Roller Coaster's getting a retheme. I'm not real sure on how I feel about that just yet, because I like Aerosmith, and I like rock and roll. I think if you're gonna theme it to the Muppets, please use animal in your story line for the whole retheme. Again, another controversial thing, because like I said, Song of the South was controversial, and then Aerosmith, I guess you could say controversial because of their lyrics, but yeah. Alright, anyway, so, let me know if you enjoyed this video or not. I don't know how to end these things sometimes. Get awkward, but, I'll see you next time. And if I don't vlog anything before Christmas, I wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you are celebrating, and God bless you all.